All right, here we are getting ready to go IFR to Reno, Nevada. That's the beginning of the plan anyway. For the rest of the plan, you got to stay tuned. It is getting windy here in Oakland. Let's see what the wind and the weather is.
Oakland ATIPS Information Hotel, 21530. Wind 170 at 15, gusts 19er. Visibility 10, 8,000 scattered. Temperature 18, 2.6, altimeter 2-998.
Terrain system test okay.
So let's see what they give us for clearance. 121.1 here in Oakland. A lot of places it's on the ground frequency. Here there's a separate one. Clearance, good afternoon. Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet's IFR to Reno with hotel. Ready to copy clearance.
IFR to Reno, verify those 8.
It's November 8, 513 Sierra Juliet for Reno.
513 Sierra Juliet, roger, standby on request.
All right, so we'll come out here. They're probably on the east plan, which means they're landing.
513 Sierra Juliet, I don't have a flight plan in file for you. Say your cut that.
It's a 421 slant golf for 513 Sierra Juliet.
November 513 Sierra Juliet, yeah, I have nothing stored under that flight, that call sign.
All right, can you look and see if it went in by mistake for 8134 Quebec?
I do have an 8134 Quebec on file as well.
Yeah, that's I thought I clicked the box for 513 Sierra Juliet. Is it easy to switch it over, or do I just leave your VFR?
The actual flight plan that you filed would still have the 513 Sierra Juliet, and for search and rescue purposes, we usually have you guys refile. I can change the flight plan, but I would not be able to change the filing, and that's the problem. Okay, let me try something, and I'll call you back. All right, looks like we're going to abandon the IFR to Reno because I can't get it filed. Ground Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet VFR request.
Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, Oakland ground, go ahead.
513 Sierra Juliet's 421 slant golf at Port-au-Port. It's got hotel. Put us VFR to Auburn today. Ready to taxi.
3 Sierra Juliet, runway 10 left, taxi Juliet and Charlie, cross approach runway 33, maintain VFR at or below 2,500 and squawk 4277.
All right, 4277 on the squawk. We're taxiing to 10, was it left or right?
10 left via Charlie, Juliet and Charlie across 3C.
Okay, 3 Sierra Juliet going Juliet Charlie to 10 left. We're going to cross 33 and 4277 on the squawk. All right, so what I was going to do, I was going to IFR to Reno and then divert to my alternate to Auburn. So we're just going to make it a VFR trip today. All right, so he said cross the 33. So we're going to cross 33. We're still on we're on ground, but he gave me clearance to cross. And then on the other side, we're going to go to
356 taxi from Signature with hotel.
Exit 356 Oakland ground, runway 10 right, taxi Charlie and Juliet, hold short, runway 10 left.
All right, 10 right via Charlie, Juliet will hold short, 10 left, ExoJet 356.
All right, we do the checklist every time. All important checklist coming up.
He can make it go.
All right, all important checklist is complete. Tower, good afternoon, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, 10 left for a change. Ready to go VFR.
November 513 Sierra Juliet, Oakland Tower, left turn on course, runway 10 left, cleared for takeoff.
Left turn on course and clear for takeoff, 513 Sierra Juliet. Okay, time check. Transponder check. Traffic tech. DG will check on the runway. You don't get to see this view very often, 10 left. Usually it's bad weather. Okay. Full power, wait for the fuel flow, otherwise we abort.
Exit at 356. Actually,
Full mixture.
Better if that's all right with you.
Full power. High 40s, go to the airspeed, 50, 60, 70,
356, crossway 10 left.
80.
Frequency for tower 118.3.
95, tap the brakes, pull the gear up.
Affirmative.
Tower 30 Juliet, early left turn, okay?
30 Juliet, affirmative.
Now we'll climb out of blue line. And we're going to 2,500.
30 Juliet's radar contact, say altitude.
30 Juliet, leaving 800. All right, 1,000 AGL. Set up our power. 31 inches of manifold pressure. I'm not going balls out here. 1,800 RPM.
Runway 10, right, clear for takeoff.
Nice and gently, take it back. Turn the fuel pumps off one at a time. One alligator, two alligator.
356 will go.
And we'll set our fuel up around 21 gallons per hour.
3 Sierra Juliet, contact NorCal 120.9er.
3 Sierra Juliet going to NorCal, thanks, Angelo. NorCal, good afternoon, Golden Eagle 5 and 3 Sierra Juliet, checking on 1,800, restricted 2,500.
November 513 Sierra Juliet, NorCal, approach the requested altitude.
3 Sierra Juliet, 7,500 today, with Bravo clearance.
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, just make your request to the next controller, contact NorCal 125.35.
2535, and we'll make our request with him. Thanks, Angelo. NorCal, good afternoon, Golden Eagle 5 and 3 Sierra Juliet, checking on 2,300, restricted 2,500, request 7,500 with the Bravo clearance.
Number 940 Lima Tango, descend and maintain 3,200.
3,200, Joe, the takeoff.
November 940 Lima Tango, turn left heading 280.
Left turn 280, Joe, the takeoff.
Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, NorCal approach, open altimeter 29er.
3 Sierra Juliet, roger. And you get my request for higher, 3 Sierra Juliet?
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, roger, standby 1. Spirit wings 3836, descend and maintain 2,300.
2,300, Spirit wings 3836.
Exit 547, contact Oakland Tower 127.2.
272, good day.
Number 940 Lima Tango, cleared visual approach, runway
So this is
10.
odd to stay at 2,500.
Number 0 Lima Tango, contact Oakland Tower 118.3.
Tower now 18.3.
Look out the front window, there's
Spirit wings 3836.
some terrain right in front of us.
2,300 until established, cleared ILS runway 12 approach.
2,300 until established.
I mean, you can see it on the terrain here. This spot to our right is, we're lower than it, or 100 feet within. That's odd.
Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, what altitude are you requesting a climb to?
3 Sierra Juliet requesting Bravo clearance 7,500.
Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, clear to enter San Francisco class Bravo airspace up to 7,500.
3 Sierra Juliet, Bravo clearance 7,500. Okay, now we go. You have to get the Bravo. You got to repeat that on the tape. On the tape. They don't use tape anymore. But you got to repeat that. So we're going to climb up to it. And we're getting a tailwind of 17 at this altitude, so we'll get more as we get up. So it's called the East Plan at Oakland because you're landing to the east instead of the West Plan, because on bad weather days, the wind blows out of the south or the southeast. You can see here on the next rad where the weather's coming in from our left. You can see it from the north. It's supposed to start raining tonight. So our TITs, our turbo inlet temperatures are looking good, so we're going to start that.
Oakland Tower 127.2. Good day.
27.2 on the switch. You have a great day. We'll see you.
Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, contact Travis approach 119.9er.
3 Sierra Juliet, Travis 19.9. Thanks, Angelo. Travis, good afternoon. Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet checking on, leaving 4,800, 7,500 with Bravo clearance.
November 513 Sierra Juliet, Travis approach, Travis altimeter 29906.
3 Sierra Juliet. Okay, we're coming up on our altitude here. We're about to hear the 200-foot reminder. There it is. We're going to level off 7,500 and see what kind of speed we get. Okay, we're leveled off here. We're on GPS 1 heading for Auburn. Tailwind of 26, true airspeed 195, ground speed 220. We're indicating 173, which matches the airspeed indicator. And we're 7,500 feet, 299.06 on the barometer, straight and level. That's the primary flight director on the multi-function display here. We have map 1, map 2, we have traffic, terrain, and then we go to the weather map. If I wanted to put the next rad up, you can see over here on the left. Let me pull out some. You can see where that weather's all coming in from. It'll draw yellow here and green in a second. There it is here, your yellow and green. There's an orange right there, which is a heavy precip. And then the next screen is the other next rad. Here's a
1,300 climbing 4.
Here's the radar, which is on standby. Don't need it right now. Auxiliary page, flight plan page. There's the, we want to select for Auburn. We'll select the runway 07. We can zoom in. It's all there.
Climbing team 6,000, Victor 141.
So that's it. We're going to just go back to the map 1 screen. So here we got 195, we're 2.25 on the ground speed now. And we'll be there 15 minutes, been in the air 12, so it'll be 27-minute flight today. Let's see what the ADS-B weather for Auburn says. Waypoint info, weather data, wind 230 at 8, visibility 10, broken 10,000, temperature 15. So we're going to plan on using runway 25. 25, there's a visual approach for 25. The only instrument approach at Auburn is runway 7 and RNAV LPV. The 25 visual for Garmin does not have vertical guidance. So all you get is a extended center line.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, contact NorCal approach 125.25.
125.25, 3 Sierra Juliet, thanks, and so long. NorCal, good afternoon, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet checking in, let's call it 7,600.
Golden Eagle 713 Sierra Juliet, NorCal approach, Sacramento International, altimeter is 29906.
3 Sierra Juliet. So let's use the VNAV feature. Auburn, let's be at 2,500 feet pattern altitude. And we'll do that a mile out, 1 mile before, and set the VNAV. So here we need a 440 feet a minute descent. To hit our spot. So let's start a descent down to 2,500. We'll set the pre-select for 2,500, which takes it off of the altitude hold, and we'll put the nose down at 450 feet a minute. And that'll give us some pretty good ground speed too, because we're doing 32 knot tailwind. Probably can get the weather for Auburn here. Let's listen to the radio.
Auburn Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 2315 Zulu. Wind 180 at 5 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition, broken at 10,000. Broken at 12,000. Temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 2.9 inches of mercury.
Okay, so 180 at 5 still says 25 for the runway.
Good afternoon, Sacramento International.
So here's our 400 feet, 500 feet a minute descent. Our vertical speed says 470, so that's good. Add a little left rudder here. I do have the yaw dampener on auto, but it needs a little help here. All right, so let's see what we got here. We're doing a true airspeed of 211, indicating 19 and doing 240, 241 across the ground. That's because we got a 28 knot tailwind.
Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, traffic 2 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, 1,900 climbing the Meridian.
3 Sierra Juliet looking for the 1 o'clock traffic.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic 8 o'clock and 3 miles northeastbound, the Golden Eagle 5,400 descending. Number 3 Sierra Juliet, roger.
All right, there he just popped up on the traffic screen. 846 Romeo Delta. Meridian, he's turboprop. He's probably gonna be pretty fast. He's 3 miles, 2,000. He'll probably cross in front of me. Should be able to see him though. He's kind of lost in this clutter of the city.
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, remain at or above 4,500.
3 Sierra Juliet will stop at 4,500 or above.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, maintain 4,000. Number 6 Romeo Delta, the Golden Eagle traffic is behind and to the left, less than a mile, 4,800 descending, restricted to 4,500. Number 3 Sierra Juliet, the Golden Eagle now is at 11 o'clock, less than a mile northwestbound, leveling 4,000.
3 Sierra Juliet, he just popped out. Traffic inside will maintain visual separation.
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, cancel the altitude restriction. You can continue descending your discretion.
3 Sierra Juliet, roger.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic's no factor now. I'll pass off the right and diverging. Climb and maintain 9,000.
Auburn Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 2321 Zulu. Wind 190 at 6 knots.
Yeah, it's still favoring 25.
Whiskey Sierra, maintain at or above 3,000 until advised. Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, no traffic observed between you and the airport. Park VFR, change to Visual frequency approved. Good day.
3 Sierra Juliet, thanks a lot. Going 1200. Talk to you next time. So long. All right. Auburn area traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet's sweet 16 miles to the south, descending out of 4,000 for left traffic 25, full stop, Auburn. All right, we're 3.5 minutes out. We've been reducing power gently. We can do our pop gumps. Pressurization check. Air conditioner never had it on. Prop sync off. Auxiliary pumps on. Gas on mains. And that's it for now. 11 miles out. We'll call again at 10 at 10. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet. It's now 10 miles south, descending out of 3,400 for left traffic. Full stop, 25 Auburn. So the best way to check the winds aloft, the fastest way is home, utilities, wind. 170 at 20, which you can kind of tell from this, showing a 170 and 21. So if I had a G600 TXI, it would be on there. All right, airport in sight. So Auburn is uncontrolled field. Not in a Charlie or a Delta airspace. So you don't have to have ADS-B. You can be flying around here in a gyrocopter with no radio and be legal. And so we do not count on the traffic screen for traffic. You still look out the window and pay attention. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, 5 miles south on the 45 left traffic, 25, full stop, Auburn. Let's turn the autopilot off. So this unit does have the icon for the visual. I took it off the other one. Let's get us a runway extension line. Let's go and put the gear down. Gas check undercarriage coming down. 1, 2, 3. Confirmed in the window. Mixture is up. 10 knots of first knot to flaps. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet. It's on the left downwind for runway 25. Full stop, Auburn. All right, nobody waiting to go at 7 or 25. So we're going to wait until we're 45 degrees out from the runway before we turn base. Our speed is just a tad fast, but better to be fast than slow. And there's our 45. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, left base 25, full stop, Auburn. There's blue line on base, which is what I like. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, continuing left base to final 25, Auburn, full stop. Okay, we can drop the flaps. You can feel the wind coming from the left, so I'm maybe dropping the left wing and putting in right rudder.
Slow to 1/2 horsepower. Let's be friends.
1 red, 1 white. Slide over, get center line.
Here it comes. Now.
Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, cleared 25, going to park in Auburn. Thanks for riding along.